Okay, let's try this again and see if it works. And it might work, it might not. Hi there. Um, that's probably not even valid HTML, but whatever. Localhost 8000, I think it said it was. Hi there, man. Okay, so that didn't work at all. So that's bad. So let me try, okay, forget ChatGPT. I'll just ask Python library like http.server with auto reload, http watcher. Okay, so let's try this one instead. Pip install http watcher. Okay, if this works, then it's Google 1, ChatGPT 0, http watcher. Module collections has, okay, so it looks like it doesn't work with this version of gosh, who knew this would be the hardest part? Okay, well, we'll use this npm way then. pnpm install g live server. Okay, and now let's say live server. All right, let's see if that works. JavaScript 1, Python 0. Right there. Maybe, I don't know. All right, never mind. I'm just not going to worry about this. So let's start over again. I want to build a web app that simulates playing the theremin. What would be a good user experience for this? So in the interface, that move the cursor over, so move it. Mouse movements control x-axis, control the. Let's go. Yep. Okay. I like the idea of the mouse movements. How would I create that in JavaScript? Okay, so let's try this. Okay, and now it seemed to want okay. What should the HTML look like? perfect. So let's go back and get this and start over again. And now we have this script that he gave me. And let us go to the end of the script and get that. Okay, so now let's refresh this. Okay, so that's pretty cool. But it's not playing any sounds. Where's the context? Let's look at the errors here and see what's happening. Context is not defined. All right, that can be the problem. So oh, that's terrible. Okay, after adding the audio context, it works, but it makes a horrible noise that sounds nothing like a theremin. Equals. Okay, this is like really awful. It doesn't sound anything like theremin. And let's see. Frequency. So I feel like this is pretty awful. I'm actually going to start over. I'd like to create a web app that simulates playing a theremin. I'm thinking that moving the mouse in the X and Y direction can be the two controls. What would the code for this look like? Okay, so let's try this, theremin.js. So he's asking me to take a different approach, and I don't need the old one because it didn't work. So I'll just wipe it out. And try this version. This version seems simpler in some ways. Okay, that's actually more interesting. That seems closer. Yikes. All right. How can I program it to play the Star Trek theme? All right. I'm skeptical that this is the right way to do it. It's a long theme. Okay, never mind. The Star Trek theme. How can I give the site more visual appeal? Okay, like give me code to make the app look more like a theremin. Okay, good. So, let us try this and see. So let's see. I don't know that I necessarily believe all of this, but let's see. That didn't seem to have done anything. Audio context is not defined. Because it's called context. Let's try that. None of this seems to have done anything. And why did it not do anything? It did not do anything because 72. Oh, because there's another context. And here's another context. And here's another context. And I typoed one of them. So let's do this. Okay, so here's a canvas. It's not doing anything. And it's not doing anything because man, update waveform is only being called once. Shouldn't it update repeatedly? No, it's already like that. I feel like that draw waveform function let's see if this does anything. Okay, so it's doing something. So somehow that stroke is not doing it. All right. Let's try this again. Is it 8,000? Is that right? What's here? 80. That was the problem. So let's see. Waveform function seems to be updating normally, but I don't see anything being drawn. Let's do canvas. Okay. Okay, actually don't like that at all. I don't like the red. But I still want that thing to show up. Data array. Analyze or get by draw waveform data array. So let me try this. Console.log. Okay, well that could be the problem. this could be the problem. Okay, let's try this. Let's try this one more time. Okay, that doesn't seem to have helped. Connect context.destination. Okay, so that part has already been done. So let me do this. Still. Okay, so that didn't help. Okay, I'm a little bit out of my league here because I don't know anything about any of this stuff. Okay, so let's look at this example. Liberty size, buffer length equals that. State array. So we got data context, got that. I don't even know what this is doing. All right. All right, I'm going to call this experiment mostly a failure because it doesn't seem to work. All right. Anyway, that was it did something, but I'm not happy with it. So too much. All right, cool. I'll put this on GitHub, I guess.